description, there was also whose book, The Idea of University, is still considered a seminal work, and you cannot ignore. And of course, Joyce is Joyce.
Teacher, General Champion Scheme, sanctioned by the Ministry of Live Membership of Foundation for Study of Literature and Environment. Thank you very much for this introduction. I welcome all the newcomers to the Department of English and to Aligarh Muslim University. And thank you for this opportunity, Professor Shahina Taranu, Chairperson course or curriculum. Guruji called two students and they said, today is your convocation. So they gave an assignment to student 1, go and cut the head of the bird in my cottage. She is in a cage. He went, cut the head and brought the head to the Guruji. He gave the same assignment to the second student and he started waiting. He didn't come for a week, he didn't come for a month, and after so many days, he brought that bird into the lab and said, Guruji, I wanted to cut the head of this bird. I went even in open jungle and open spaces, but there is some voice that says you could not do it. आपको क्या लगता है ये आवाज सिलेबस की किताबों से आती है? नहीं. It comes from the overall, संस्कार जो कहते हैं. It comes from your tarbiyat. It comes from, so the tarbiyat for which Aligarh Muslim University actually prepares you for. I look forward that you all, because when the second student came, he was very embarrassed. He thought that I could not fulfill the task. He said, "Sir, लगता है मैं fail हो गया." उन्होंने कहा नहीं, you should be strengthen yourself through education in such a way that you can decide between just and unjust, right and wrong, the way the second pupil, the second disciple could decide and also imbibe those human values. पर आपको कोई भी कुछ करने को कहेगा.
These are presentation. Bit of that excellence trajectory is trying to address the issue so that
who have come from are coming into the first semester, please mark this.
our presentation
successfully instilled a sense of.
Thank you so much, Sapit. And now we have Vijay Tarana.